Well, hello there. Happy May. So, if you guys are excited to enjoy this May, beautiful, rainy month, let's enjoy it. Let's be positive and let's just be happy. Okay? So, today's vlog, I'm going to be showing you some books that I used to have before, but fortunately I donated them. So, I will be showing you these books if you guys want to read these books and like get a little understanding with these books, right? And then after, I'm gonna be showing you a frizz easy if you want to make your curls nice and dry. This is like a nice little hairstyle, so I'll be showing you that in the vlog as well. Okay. All right. So let's get started. Oh, there's one more thing I want to show you. It's this. Let me pause for 2 seconds. Alright guys, and then also I'll be showing you this pink Dove soap. I will be showing you that in the vlog as well. Okay, so let's start the vlog right now. Okay, so this one is called A Death Stuck Year. Okay, so this is a very, very beautiful book. I read this book, I think it was last year or the year before. It's a very nice book. it is basically talks about like I guess if somebody lost someone or something wasn't been said or anything that had to do with something like that, then that's what this book is. But I think I give this book a 10 out of 10 because it's a very interesting book, and if you're somebody that's into reading, you could. And I will put the website in the description. There's the website right there. So you guys can kind of, I don't know, order this book if you want to order. And you guys can get more information. Okay. The next one is Buffy the Vampire Slayer. The Lost Slayer. I used to watch this show when, like, I guess when I used to go to school, like, come home from school, I think every 3 or 4 o'clock. And I can tell you, I really love this book. This is like a very, what's it called, old book. And I really, 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 really love this book. If you guys want to buy this book, like I said, the website is somewhere right here on the bottom. I will put it in the in the description so you guys can go and check them out. And some of these books might not have the website, so I'll put them in the description just to give you guys a reminder. The next books and the other ones might not have a website, so I'll put them in the description so you guys can go and read them and try them out. Okay. The next one is Dream Boy. Okay, everybody knows what this book is all about. It could be relationships, family, you know what it is. It's a very interesting book. Like, I guess a girl wants to dream if they want to, have a relationship one day for the future. You know what I'm saying? I think that's what that was all about, right? So if you guys want to try that book and read, you guys could. This one's called Normal Fox Master. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It's an old book. This is like, I guess, of course, relationship, best friend. Y'all know everything, right? This one's called David Copperfield. I love this book, and you know what I like about these type of books is when they have like the pictures, and you can kind of see. You know, you usually buy like kids book back in the day, and they just show you like their type of pictures. That is what I like about these type of books. So if you guys want to read this book, you guys can like order this book. This is an old, long time book, so I don't know if it's number one, number two. It's a very old book, so I can't tell you. This one's called Cannon Operate Airport. I love this book. There's a lot of meanings to this book. This is like if a person is traveling or dealing with some consequences or something like that, they have to like deal with that, right? And if you guys want the website is right here. Like I said, not all books have the website, but I'm showing you the ones that have. Next one, this is called Forest 14. This is the person who... Alright guys, so the next one is Forest 14 by Janice. Again, this is a beautiful chapter book. I'm so sorry I don't have the cover to show you, but it's a very beautiful book. I don't have the website for them, so if you guys wanted to check it out, you guys can find how to get the website, but I will put the names in the descriptions. You guys can kind of see. Okay, the next one is Genie in a Bottle. So this book is basically talking about when you do not like your best friend. You know, when everybody has friends and they tell you stuff. So if you guys want to try this book, you guys can try. I will put this in the description. I don't have the website. I'm very sorry. The next one is A Little Princess. Again, I love this book, and what I like about this book is the pictures. Every single chapter book I love is their pictures. That's what I like. And the last but not least is Hollywood Crows. Another chapter book. I really love this chapter book. Is so nice and it's so amazing. So if you guys want to try these books, you guys can try these books. Okay. So the next one is I'm gonna be showing you this John Frieda Frizz. So this is basically if you want to help for dry skin. So I'm gonna just spray some. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm gonna spray some. This is what it looks like. Okay, and then you just rub it in your hair. And if you don't want this can be like if you have natural hair or a wig to just make the hair not get so frizzy. But this is just like a little like fake wig. So you can do this with your natural hair or whatever type of style. You guys can do this, and it has instructions. This tells you to pump 2 or 3 pumps, but I'm just showing you one pump to show you how to make your hair nice. You don't have to do that, but if it says you could, there is a website right here. I'll probably put that in the description. So if you guys want to try that, we'll put that in the description. The next one is this beautiful pink Dove soap. I'm going to show you because I used it since last time the night before. So this is what it looks like. Okay. It smells so good. I'm going to show you how it looks. This is the first time I literally bought this soap as I know myself. Okay. So this is the Dove soap itself. It's pink. I don't know if it's gonna show you. It might show you white in my camera, but it's pink. It smells so good, and this soap basically says this for soft and smooth skin. Right there. I don't know if y'all can see in the camera. That's what it shows me, and constructions is not really basic, really, not really much, but it smells very good, and it's pink, and I give this soap a 10 out of 10 because this is the first time, because I went to the dollar store, I think it was like last month I did this, and it smells beautiful, and it's my favorite color, my favorite color. Okay, so I like this soap. So if you guys want this, the website is here. It's kind of hard because of how faded the camera won't show it so great, but I will put it in the description. And yeah, so that is basically it. I've been showing you some books and some products if you guys want to try. All the names will be in the description. Okay, but other than that, I will put this one in the description. I will put the what's it called, the Dove soap in the description. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you get something out of this, I hope you did. If you're new, hello, my name is Lashana. Subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. I hope you guys are enjoying my vlogs, and like I said, I appreciate you guys liking my vlogs. I appreciate you guys using the time to watch my vlogs when you have your busy schedule. And yeah, follow me on my social medias. I will put that in the description. And I will see you for my Wednesday's vlog. And I think I have a Thursday's vlog and a Saturday vlog. Let me double check when you guys will see me. I just love doing my vlogs. I feel when I film a video, I feel comfortable in how I film. And like I said, if you feel comfortable filming any type of video or any type of vlogs, I'm so sorry. Yes, so you guys will see me for my Wednesday's vlog, my Saturday's vlog. Okay. I'll post this vlog soon. Okay. So yes, guys. So I'm gonna end this vlog right here, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.